Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The National Health Fund NHF asked the police to look in our cars one of the machine them in the cold room for brought down where they store some COVID-19 vaccine. The Ministry for Health and Wellness gave 5,000 COVID-19 self-test kits to the Ministry for Education yesterday. The police lock up and charge one man who them say shot up some people on Regent Street on Tuesday, December 28, 2021. The St. Elizabeth police say them find over £1,100 of ganja with a Sengo foreign in a Bathsheba district in a new market. Now for the full tour of them. The National Health Fund NHF asked the police for looking at our cars one of the machine them in the cold room for brought down where they store some COVID-19 vaccine. This go on Christmas Eve at the NHF pharmaceutical warehouse where cost thousands of vaccine for can't use again. The NHS said them tap give out them vaccine the right away where they in the cold room there. But the NHF put out something yesterday, so them still have 500,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccine for give people because them did in a one different cold room at the warehouse. On top of that, the NHF said them fix back the cold room and everything a work good. The Ministry for Health and Wellness gave out 5,000 COVID-19 self-test kits to the Ministry for Education yesterday. This come off a face-to-face class start back Monday gone in a some school. Favour Williams, who the Education Minister, thanked the ministry and she said the test kit them are going to use mainly in a primary school for the little picnic them who not vaccinated against COVID-19 yet. Christopher Tufton, who the Health Minister, said ministry support the school nurse them and them are going to show them how to use the test kit them and what them for do if somebody tests positive. The police lock up and charge one man who them say shot up some people on Regent Street on Tuesday, December 28, 2021. The man, a 29 years old Marlon Hill, who come from Biceford Street in a Kingston. The police charge him for shot somebody out of spite and for have gun and bullet where him not have no license for. According to the report from the Kingston Central Police, Hill and some other man drive up in a one grey Nissan Latio and shot up some people who did turn up on the roadside. One man did get shot and hurt. The police a little after that, them stop the car where Hill did a drive in a Arnett Gardens community. Hill get locked up and the rest of man them get away. The police a them a tell people say go against the law for hide wanted man in them yard, and if anybody know where the man them there, for call the nearest police station or call Crime Stop on 311. St. Elizabeth police say them find over £1,100 of ganja with a Sengo foreign in a Bathsheba district in a new market. Nobody no get locked up. According to the police report, between 3:30 and 5:30 p.m., one team searched some place and find the ganja. The police said the ganja cost $4.4 million out of road. On top of that, the police said them asked Jason Coop, who people call Cocos, for carrying himself to them because him know something about the ganja. Anybody who know which part Coop there, for call the Black River Police pan 876-965-2232 or the nearest police station. One man get shot and killed in a Linston St. Catherine yesterday afternoon, one day after him get bail. The man, a 27 years old Denton Hamilton, who people call One Left, who come from Linstead. Hamilton did get $100,000 bail under certain condition from the St. Catherine Parish Court Wednesday gone. Him did get locked up for thief one car. According to the police report, around 1:30 yesterday, Hamilton did in a one barber shop on Grove Road in a Linstead when gunman shot him up enough time. Him dead on the spot. This make 4 people get killed in the St. Catherine North Police Division since the year start. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.